Welcome, Amazon sellers and soon to be Amazon sellers. My name is Tim with ALGO Online Retail. Today, I want to clear up something that confuses a lot of brand new sellers on Amazon. What documents do I actually need to start selling on Amazon to open my account and get going? Because people think there's this huge stack of paperwork, business licenses, tax registration, complicated legal stuff that you have to fill out. And it's really a whole lot simpler than most people expect. So if you are looking to have a side income, a second income, Amazon is a great option for you to pursue and consider. So let's break it down step by step. First, to open up a seller account, Amazon typically requires a government issued ID. Makes sense, they got to know who you are, proof of address, a credit card, and your bank information for payouts. That's it. To open up an Amazon seller account, you don't need an LLC, a corporation, you don't need any fancy business setup just to get started. What usually trips people up next isn't about Amazon, it's actually about suppliers. So once you open up your Amazon account, now you got to find suppliers so you can find products. Because you are a legitimate business, you want to have legitimate suppliers. And when you contact suppliers, they want you to have something called a reseller's permit. It's called different things in different states, but basically a reseller's permit, because suppliers want to verify that they don't have to charge you tax and that you are legitimate, that you're a serious seller, that you took the time, only a few minutes, but you took the time to get a reseller permit. So in simple terms, a reseller permit lets suppliers know they do not need to charge you sales tax when you buy from them because you're not the end consumer. You are reselling the product. And when you sell on Amazon, you don't have to worry about sales tax because Amazon is the platform that is collecting the sales tax. Now, here's the good news. In most states and provinces in Canada, getting a reseller's permit is pretty easy and usually free. If it's not free, it's not a whole lot. If you want to do this in the most cost-effective way, you can simply apply your personal name and operate as a sole proprietor. So you don't need an LLC. So what does a sole proprietor mean? It means when you fill out your paperwork for your reseller permit, you're doing it under your own name, your own tax ID. No LLC needed first, no reason to overcomplicate all of this. You literally go to Google and search reseller's permit plus the state you live in. You'll be directed to the website, you fill out some paperwork. It's usually as straightforward as that. Now, if you want to take things to the next step, you don't have to, but you could open up an entity, an LLC or something like that. It's not required to sell on Amazon, but there are a couple of reasons people choose to do it. Number one, it can provide a layer of personal liability protection. Two, it can make you look more established and professional to suppliers. You can form an LLC yourself online in some states for just a couple $100 using services like LegalZoom or similar platforms, or you can hire a professional to do the paperwork for you to get an entity and the reseller permit, all those things. But again, this is optional. Plenty of sellers start as sole proprietors and upgrade later once they're making money. So let's simplify this and review. To open up an Amazon seller account, you just need a government ID, proof of address, credit card, bank account. To buy from suppliers, you're going to want a reseller permit, and then optional is to get that LLC. That's it. No stacks of paperwork, no complicated corporate structure. You just need the basics. Now, if you want to learn how to sell on Amazon, how to do all of the things I've been talking about, plus how to find suppliers and analyze product and get that first product to sell on Amazon and how to win the buy box, I want to teach you all of those things. So right down there is a link to a free live workshop I will be hosting this week. I did say free, I did say live. It's 90 minutes long. I'll spend about 60 minutes teaching you, covering the training. Then I will answer all of your questions. So if you'd like to attend, I'd love to teach you. Click on that link, get registered, and I'll see you soon.